Yo, what's happening, people? Man, what's happening? I'm sat on the floor in the tie part, as you can see. I've just tightened the handbrake. Just tightened it up. Because today, this should be turning red. Yeah, it's time for the carpet's going in. That's what's happening. So let's get at it, man. So my beautiful people, it's in. Just need to do the final touch, so I've got to take this out and tuck it in a bit more. But to be honest, it's looking fresh. It's looking nice. I'm glad I made that decision, you know. Exciting times. It feels good to have new carpet, you know. So we've taken the main center console out. What I should have done before breaking it. Well, yeah. Taking the nuts out of there, made a space, tucking that bit in around the side here, tucking that all in, and then I think we're fully in. Carpet's fully in. So look at that one. I am gassed, you know. Alhamdulillah. So after doing all that, putting the center console partially in now, so that's back in, carpet's in, and look where I'm sitting. The seats are in. So let's conclude this video because we're done. Carpet's in, everything's done. So yeah, alhamdulillah. But here we go. Let me just step out and show you how much better it looks. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. You know what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like I said, as always, I appreciate you. Thank you. Safe.